Questions 1 through 10 on the 2018 grade 11 Fermat math contest. The value of this is, well, 2016 minus 2017 is negative 1. 2018 minus 2019 is negative 1. Then you've got this 2020. And when you put all those together, you get 2018. So number 1, the answer is D. On Monday, the minimum temperature in Fermatville was minus 11 Celsius and the maximum was 14. What was the range of temperatures on Monday in Fermatville? Well, the range would be 14 minus 11, and that is 25. So, number 2, the answer would be B. If x is minus 2, y is minus 1, the value of 3x plus 2y minus 3x minus 2y is 3x plus 2y minus 3x plus 2y. When you take it out of the brackets, that is just 4y. The x's cancel themselves out. Y is negative 1, so therefore this is negative 4. So number 3, the answer is A. How many integers are greater than 5 over 7, less than 28 over 3? 5 over 7. If I put it in decimal format, it probably is a little bit easier. That's approximately 0.71. 28 over 3 in decimal format is 9.3. Well, how many integers are between 0.71 and 9.3? Well, those integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's 9 of them. So number 4, the answer is B. The heart and triangle represent different positive integers less than 20. If heart times heart times heart is equal to triangle, what is the value of triangle times triangle? Well, let's try 1 for heart. If we put that in, we get 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Now, at first that may seem a possible solution, but remember, these symbols have to be different. So in this case, they're both the same, so that's not valid. Let's try 2 for the heart. 2 times 2 times 2, and that gives me 8. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's try 3. 3 times 3 times 3 gives me 27. Well, the integers have to be less than 20, and 27 is obviously not less than 20. So the only one that actually works based on the parameters of the question is that one. So that basically means that 8 is equal to that triangle. So triangle times triangle would be the equivalent of 8 times 8, and that is 64. So number 5, the answer is D. In the diagram, points R and S lie on PT and PQ, respectively. If angle PQR is 90 and QRT is 158, and PRS is equal to QRS, what is the measure of QSR? Well, PRS is equal to QRS, so let's call each of those X. Right there. Well, this whole angle is 180, so that means 2x plus 158 is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to, that looks like 22, and therefore x is equal to 11. So they want QSR, they want this one, we'll just call it y. So y plus x plus 90 is equal to 180. And therefore y plus x is equal to 90, and y is equal to 90 minus x. 90 minus 11, since x is 11, therefore y is equal to 79, and y represents my QSR. So number 6, the answer is E. Bev is driving from Waterloo, Ontario to Marathon, Ontario. She has driven 312 kilometers. She has 858 kilometers still to drive. How much farther must she drive in order to be halfway from Waterloo to Marathon? All right. So let's say she starts off here at Waterloo and she's going to Marathon. And the total distance, we don't know, but actually we kind of know the total distance. She's gone 312 and she has 858 still to go. So we do know the total distance. It's 312 plus 858. And that is 1170. So we want to know, when is she going to be halfway? So let's just say halfway is right there. Well, halfway is obviously 1170 divided by 2, which is 585. So what is this value going to be? That is what the question is asking. How much more does she have to drive before she hits the halfway point? Well, if I call that x is 585, which is half the distance, minus the 312 she's already driven. And that is 273. So number 7, the answer is B. For what value of k is the line through the points 3, 2k plus 1, and 8, 4k minus 5 parallel to the x-axis? So let's draw a graph like this. And we want a line that is parallel to the x-axis like that. So the first point, let's say it's 3 right here, and the second point is 8 right here. So this is 3, 2k plus 1, that point. And this point here is 8, 4k minus 5. Now, if they are on this line that's parallel to the x-axis, that means the y-coordinates are the same. So this is equal to that. And that y-coordinate is right there. So that means that 2k plus 1 is equal to 4k minus 5. So 6 is equal to 2k, and therefore k is equal to 3. Number 8, the answer is A. In the diagram, PQRS is a rectangle with SR equal to 15. Point T is above PS and point U is on PS, so that TU is perpendicular to PS. If PT equals 10 and US equals 4, and the area of PQRS is 180, what is the area of triangle PTS? Well, the area is 180, and that's going to be, say, QR times 15. So we can easily figure out QR. QR is 12. So there you go. Therefore, this is 12. Now, from here to here is 4, so that means from here to here must be 8. And then using Pythagoras, we can easily figure out TU. TU squared plus PU squared is equal to PT squared. And some of you can do that in your head. 8 squared, TU squared plus 8 squared is equal to 10 squared. So TU squared is equal to 100 minus 64, which is 36. So TU is 6. So let's label that there 6. So now the area of PTS, that's pretty straightforward. 1/2 base times height. 1/2 base is 12. The height we just calculated is 6. So that looks like 6 times 6, which is 36. So number 9, the answer is B. In the diagram, the number line between -2 and 3 is divided into 10 equal parts. The integers -1, 0, 1, and 2 are marked on the line, as are the numbers a, x, b, c, d, e. Which number best approximates the value of x squared? Well, looking at this number line, b is approximately, well, I think it's exactly 0.5 negative. So x looks like a little bit further to the left, obviously. So probably -0.8 would be my best guess. So x squared, if you square this number, you get positive 0.64. Now you have to look at the number line and see which letter is most likely equal to 0.64, and that's obviously C. So number 10, the answer is C.